Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve the problem number 36. Is asking us find the input impedance Z11 of S, which is V1 of S divided by I1 of S, and in impedance Z21 of S, which is V2 of S divided by I1 of S, which is called inverse transfer impedance, and this is called input impedance, okay, for the network shown below. Okay, now let us try to solve this problem. Okay, so the detailedly about this Z parameters you can study in two-port network. Okay, so generally this Z11 is called as input impedance. Okay, how to write down this one is, see here, the voltage at this point is how much? V2 of S. Automatically the voltage at this 2 point is V 2 of S with positive terminal and negative terminal. I want the value of I1 of S. How to write down I1 of S is equal to I1 of S is equal to V1 of S minus 0. You can see here these two branches are connected in series and these two are in resistance. Okay, then I can write down V1 of S divided by R ohms plus S L ohms. This is I1 of S. Okay, so this is equation number 1. From here I require the ratio of V1 of S divided by I1 of S. Okay, so this is V1 of S divided by I1 of S, that is equal to, this term will come here, which is nothing but R plus SL ohms. So this is nothing but input voltage by input current. This way this is called input impedance. Okay, so next one we need to find out V2 of S divided by I2 of, which is called transfer impedance. Okay, so this is called forward transfer impedance. How to write down this one is, so the current which flows in R, the same current also will flow, which is also nothing but I1 of S. Now let's try to write down I1 of S with respect to I1 of S with respect to which voltage? V2 of S. That I can write down it as V2 of S minus 0 divided by SL ohms. But I require the ratio V2 of S divided by I1 of S. V2 of S divided by I1 of S, that is equal to SL ohms. So this is the ultimate formula where this is called Z21. This is called as transfer impedance. This is called input impedance. Why? Because input means input voltage to the input current. This is input voltage to the output current. It's nothing but Z21. Okay, it's called transfer impedance. Okay, this is how to find out the problem. So if you want more videos, subscribe to my channel with the name KV Tulasi Ram. If you feel the content is good, like the video, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, so like this, many problems are there. Problem wise, the concepts are solved. Hope you can watch the playlist and you can enjoy the content. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I can answer. Or if you want any video on circuits, you please comment. I will make a video on the circuits. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.